So what's going on, guys? DIY Dan again, and today I'm going to show you how I moved that jacuzzi about 50 feet using nothing but a dolly and some 1/2-inch PVC. Now keep in mind, there's no concrete under that jacuzzi right now. We're just trying to get an idea if we like it there before we take the time to pour the pad and run the electric. Now I've used the same method to move that shed around the side yard, and that's in gravel. If you are doing it like trying to move it in some dirt or gravel, I recommend smoothing it out with a rake and getting some larger diameter PVC, almost like a 1-inch, just to make it easier. So let's get to it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That was pretty much rolling on its own. So anyways, that's how we moved it. Now keep in mind, we're obviously not filling it up with water right now. We're just getting an idea of possibly leaving it here. So we're putting it here to find out if we like it before we do anything else. So I hope that helps you out, and hope to see you next time. Later.